Every year, Second Chance has a special Christmas event for the dogs among the food bank clients. In addition to our regular monthly Frontline, we have Santa. We have Santa photos, which are also free. Oftentimes, people can't afford to have a nice Christmas souvenir with their pet, so we provide that, and we have extra leashes, collars, sweaters, jackets, toys, and treats. So every dog has a really nice Christmas. That's the idea. Merry Christmas.
Cindy Humphreys from Windsor, California, just down the road here, called me and said she'd been collecting things for a full year. She's been going to businesses in Windsor, telling them about us. And when she came, she says, I want to help on the day that we're handing out dog treats, etc.
I grew up in Fort Bragg, and I was reading the Fort Bragg Advocate about a year ago about Second Chance, and I thought, oh wow, that's really neat, and I should help. So and over the past 12 months, I've been collecting and had barrels out in Sonoma County at Petco and pet stores, and everything that I brought today is accumulated over a year.
She came with a whole car load full of sweaters, jackets, leashes, collars, toys, pet food, dog food, kibble, and dog cans. She had so much in there, and I was just simply thrilled, simply because someone from another city, not Fort Bragg, had spent a whole year going around to companies in Windsor, telling them about us.
And people really love animals, and they donate. In fact, I went to take my barrels back, and from the stores, because I was done with the year, and one of them said, no, we want it year-round.
Really?
They're so excited about it, the community's excited about it, so they want it year-round.
Oh,
and Petco, they want theirs back also.
Isn't it cute? That's very cute.
Okay.
Merry Christmas. Really good.
Yeah. Oh, that's darling.
Yes, that's beautiful. Right.
There's me and Domino. Doesn't he look so cute?
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas.
Choking and stuff.
All right, sweetheart.
Well, happy holidays. Happy holidays. Honey!
Oh, there were holes.
You like it?
I do.
Really baby. Are really adorable. That is so cute.
Hold on.
Yeah,
Cool.
real good.